Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, but you guys know that already. And once again, thank you so much for hanging out. I mean, we are here in the new kitchen. I'm sorry, in the new kitchen slash studio. And well, we're coming over with this cool season. This is going to be the season of something really nice and warm. And today I'm going to bring something from a really good friend of mine. His name is Miguel Dean, and he creates this amazing and super tasty cocktail called the Tea Time. Please stay here with me. Let me show you how we pour this guy. Excellent. Thank you so much for staying. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to just press that little bell right there, and you will be getting 2 cocktails a week, hopefully. Anyway, let me tell you a little bit about the story about this cocktail and how this cocktail was created. So my friend Miguel Dean, he happens to be one of the bartenders. As a matter of fact, he's my partner behind the bar. And he really, really used to enjoy this Arizona peach tea. That was his favorite beverage in all times. And also, he's a really good fan of the golf. So he just enjoyed lots of these cans while he was practicing, on the tee. And one day, after a couple, months of not having any of that peach tea, he decided to go to the golf course, get himself one of those cans of Arizona peach tea, and he decided to just spike it up a little bit. I gotta tell you that he started with a shot of tequila in it, and eventually this cocktail, basically evolutionated into what it is right now. One of the most popular cocktails I have seen in this new place where I'm working right now, the Pony Room. And by far, one of the nicest ones. Very tasty, very refreshing, and it just complements with the ingredients. So how are we gonna start with this guy? Well, we're gonna start with some tea. This one in particular, what we use right here is gonna be jasmine. You can choose the tea of your preference. We're gonna use also some really good gin. The recipe calls for dry gin. Myself, I decided to go for this little guy. This is the Aviation American Gin, and I believe it has the character to pair up with this cocktail. Also, we're gonna need some honey syrup, which is gonna be half a portion, 1-on-1 on portions of hot water and honey, and just let it cool off. And for the last one, if you want, you can add the Peach Divine, which is the Gifford peach flavored liqueur, or some peach snaps, up to you guys, all right? So let's start building our cocktail. Now that we have our tea nice and ready to go, let's put them on the side. Here we go. 2 ounces dry gin, or the gin of your preference. I gotta tell you guys, if you use anything that is gonna be botanical, the flavor is not gonna be there. You need to have something dry. So Bombay, make sure you get, Clements, Aviation, just dry gin. On your tea, we're recommending jasmine. That's the one that we've been taking, but you can put whatever you want. Chamomile, it's up to you guys. 2 ounces of freshly made tea. Half ounce of a lemon. Fresh. Half ounce of honey syrup. And from the peach, half of it. Half an ounce as well. Let's get some ice. And let's give it a good shake. Let's get some mint. Let's strain our cocktail. Catching all the ice flakes. Let's get just a spring of mint with a little slap. And time to hit the green. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. And don't forget, don't drink and drive. You have a fantastic afternoon, and we'll see you next time.